Okay, we are live everywhere. Let's keep going with our game. Double check thumbnail is correct. And since we're just starting the stream, let me note some stats here. Jot it down. Okay. All right. Customer code. We have the scripts for each customer, am I right? Yep. So what we're gonna do is we are going to copy this fries customer because it works perfectly, and we're going to simply copy paste for all of them. It feels so redundant to do it this way. It feels so redundant to do it this way, but I can minify this. I'm trying to think if I can maybe just, well, okay, let's just go ahead and do it. So now these hands are not they are actually, so okay, now the only question is whether or not these hand classes are actually the same script that is attached to the characters. No, it is actually. Well, that's good. So they accept a you said arcade idle hand? Yep, arcade idle character hand. There's a typo here. And simply simply this. I forgot to change the so the title in Kick, huh? It's still the previous title. Sorry. All right. And now I can just say hand, place at hand, and then I can pass in left hand. That's it, and then minimized. So now this is what we are going to basically rewrite everywhere. Okay. Where are we setting the service entity? The service entity. Start being a customer. Okay, very early on. That's good. That's good. Service entity product. They are here. Okay, so fries. Let's just start with. Let's go chronologically, but based on the time that we place them in the scene, or the time that player is actually going to unlock it. And not alphabetically. So that would be pizza or donut. Doesn't matter, let's go with pizza. Okay. Returned pizza. Oh. It pains me that I have to write all of these all over again. Like it just goes against my nature. But I'm gonna do it because I think I might need to, I might want to add, you know, some special customization to each customer's behavior. So having this level of, how would you say, customization is appreciated. There's definitely a better way to do this, but eat pizza. Now, gotta go to Mixamo. And find an animation. Why am I not showing you? Eat. Let's see what we have. Nothing? I mean, I can make something myself. Let's make it. I thought it would be really accessible. But why not? Let's just make it. We're gonna build up on the idle animation. Character mesh. Get over here. So we're gonna find the idle animation in locomotion. Idle. Idle in locomotion. Boom. We're gonna duplicate and say stand eat. And boom. Boom. Make sure it's looped. It is. And let's make it. I probably want to put the pizza in his hand too. Duplicate it over here. It's massive, right? So we're probably gonna make it teeny tiny. And also let me bring the player in sight so that we have the same perspective as the player would have. Oh, I see. That's why it was so tiny, because our character was small. So let me revert the scale. Boom. Scale reverted. Now. Right hand or left hand? Right hand. Boom. Or, because I'm left-handed, why not make everything dance finished? Yeah, dance finished, my man. Dance finished. Dance finished. That was just... I felt like a potato not dancing, because it's something that I'm rather passionate about. I've been doing it since I was a teenager. I was like, yeah, why not stream it? And so did. Bro, how can you dance like that? So good. Thank you. I felt like a potato, man. I was a lot more smooth back in the days, but I gotta keep practicing. If I practice like this for a month, I'll be as good as before. I started practicing MJ moves back when I was in middle school, I think. So let me actually raise the hand, and so that I can visualize it. Stand, eat. Delete. Are girls like that? I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe outside Iran, right? Because it's not a thing in my culture, but I don't know. I've always done that in private. So you should come for a girlfriend if you don't have one. Turkish girl love dancing. Really? I had no idea. I had no idea. No, in Iran it's anything that makes you a little less masculine than you should be, it's sort of frowned upon. But I just it's a passion of mine. Actually, let me show you a little video, like a short little video that I made a while back. So this is like 2 days ago or something like that. This is called tap dancing. Let me actually review some of my dancing. I just want to make sure if I did tap dancing right. Stop this. I'd say we end on a good note. On a powerful note. I haven't watched it myself. Wait. Yeah, I can't watch it. Yeah, I was curious about this part. Yeah, that pose wasn't that bad. This pose was good. This was good too. This was so micro. This is terrible. This is good. I was 2 seconds behind Michael here. This is not that bad because I'm not that much of a pro in the train move. Do I want to go something with more of a... This was complete freestyle. This one. I'm better with that side, eh? Now foot placements is much better now compared to before. Yeah, what about ankle breaker? The ground was getting sticky. By the end of it, the ground was getting too sticky. I need the glove. So I'm always better with the other side, eh? I'm getting good with the tap dancing. This is something that I was struggling with before. Now my tap dancing is much better. This is good. And this is hard. This one is hard. Like this is hard. I remember this was one of the hardest things to learn. I'm not a robot dancer. I'm getting better with side moonwalking too. This was smooth. Could get better, but I didn't watch Thriller. Wait. I had no idea how I did with Thriller. Is this Thriller? No. This tap dancing is good. If you cover my face, my feet does look like Michael. This was complete freestyle. Thriller. I'm getting better at this tap dances, but they're complete freestyling here. I'm trying to increase my what would you say, brain to muscle coordination, and that kind of movements just letting your body go. That actually helps. Let me take a look at Beat It. My space is so limited. My space is limited. And I'm kind of a tall guy, so I'm punching the walls and everything, you know? My space is so limited. That's side moonwalk, man. That's not bad. Hold on. Wait. Trying to find the Billie Jean side moonwalk. I'm older. Yeah. Oh, I'm surprisingly getting better at side moonwalks. Yeah. This is not bad. Because I know this move, right? This is another variation of it, right? Yeah. You know. Also, I'll get better if I lose some weight, because I'm bulking right now, and so I'm a little bit fat. So that's gonna directly affect some of the movements, but it'll get fixed in about 6 months as I finish bulking and I start cutting again. So let me rotate this guy toward the camera. Da, 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 da. Oh, what about ankle breaker? Wait a second. I didn't check ankle breaker. I was surprisingly better at side moonwalk, but I didn't check my ankle breaker move.
Some of your comments.
Mate. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I had decided to start practicing, but because I knew I have to practice at least for a month before being able to actually present it. But I was like, yeah, whatever. Let's just stream it. Where is the stand eat? Okay. And well, actually, the first frame should be hand up. Maybe a little slower, my friend. Like a lot slower. It's not helping yet. Maybe. Yup. And then you like wait for 5 frames and then like you give it some time to chew it and everything. Hand movement is a little bit. I don't know why does it look so dirty. And as you know, as Michael used to say, I don't do dirt dancing. There's the forearm. There it is. So this would be far away. This would be the close version. So there's more distance. That actually looks good. Hello, hi there, Fenziol. Wait, Fenzoid123. Let me check something. Did you? Oh yeah. You followed me yesterday. I thought you followed me during my dancing stream. So this is it, and then we're gonna. Ow! Where did you go? And stand and eat. Let me turn off the recording and bring this thing maybe over here. I have to increase this. Will this game be released? Of course it will. Of course it will. It will be released. Now, probably first release it on the web, as I have the distribution channel for it. And then in a few months, I'll be going with the mobile launch. How bad is this? I mean, let me just bring it over here and the problem will be solved, right? And then all we have to do, wait, what happened? Move over here. Product pizza shouldn't be. Yeah, there it is. No, it shouldn't be part of this animation. Gotta rotate it myself. Like so, maybe here, and then we'll fix the hand separately. Separate Ali. Can I just like do something like this? Yeah, it'll work. I mean, it's so far away, right? Yeah, it will work. All we have to do now is copy and paste this. Yep. So now we have to apply this to prefab. Could you also send the link when it's ready? Of course I can. Of course I can. I can also... I think at this point I have to start a Discord channel because so many of you guys are asking for the links and everything. I probably have to start a Discord channel so that you guys can have access to everything. But of course, I will. It will be available for all of you guys to enjoy. Hopefully we'll finish it in less than 10 days. So now we have to apply this to product pizza. Now we applied animation mode, okay. And thank you for your interest. Done and done. Now, now we have to test actually, right? Because we don't know if it actually works. I have to make sure it works. But that's a whole nother story. We have to name these things. Gotta name this. So this would be service entity pizza store. Price, something low, something like 100, which is $1 or maybe 200. And then this will be service entity donut store, just donut. Same with this would just be pizza. Service entity implies the store part of it. So let's apply this to unlock item. Done. Ice cream. And here, little mobile devices. Yes, it will be released this year, and it will be available for mobile actually. So you will be able to play it on mobile in about 20 days. Well, in August basically, right? Somewhere in August it'll be available. We have actually made other games on stream that are actually available right now to be played. So yes, it will be released and you will be able to play it. Service entity. ice cream. And service entity, burgers. Book. Tool. Coffee shop. We have to also replace these walls with some actual 3D models. Gym. At this point, this is like an entertainment channel more than a game development one. I mean, it's literally just entertainment, because in one stream I'm dancing for you guys, in another stream I'm making games for you. It's like I make entertainments, man. Coffee shop, coffee shop. These are the same thing, right? Oh. No, not this coffee shop. Disable that. We almost made that mistake. Let me also commit my changes here. Because we were about to make a fatal mistake. By the way, what do you think, guys? Do you think I should make that video public of the dancing stream? I made it private because I was like, it's not good enough. Do you think? Wait, let me show it to you guys. There's some of you guys that haven't seen it. You know what? Forget it. Let's make it private. Where's the music? Okay. Coffee shop. Coffee shop. Boom. Gem. Boom. Supermarket. Yeah. Supermarket. Bank. Bookstore. So now all of them are not tools. There's a tool store. Now all of them shall be or must be prefabized. Wow, what's going on here? Save keys are not saved. Let's see. Bank, book, burger, service entity, burger. It wouldn't allow me. Let's just apply them like this. And we have to test. Pizza, French fries, apply. They don't have to be applied, but I just feel better if I do. It's a little bit cleaner and we can feel good about ourselves, right? So let's commit our changes. Let us commit our changes. And let's test it. Like subconsciously, I know we're gonna have a lot of errors and a lot of things are gonna be wrong, so I kind of don't want to test it, but we just have to. Let's go. Let's go. There's so many of them, right? Hopefully most of them will be disabled by default. Boom. What about that burger? Why is that burger store open? Service empty burger. Why? Probably it's, yeah. This thing, these things should be under unlocked stuff. Let's have a bird's eye view and play. And drink water in the meantime. Optimizing time. Yep, all of them are working. So now, ba-ba-da-ba. I sped up the game, by the way, if you didn't notice. Nothing works. I've made so many changes and haven't tested that just like we have to start from first principles. This pool ID doesn't exist French fries. That's simply because the pool name is fries, not French fries. Oh, it actually is French fries. Oh, it's pool product French fries. Got it. So, wait. I'll take care of it. Done and apply. Why didn't this unlock slot work? That's weird. Let's test it one more time. This time I won't speed up the game so that you guys can see what we're working on. This is the game so far. We can have some cute sound effects and some cute visual effects later on, but that's the general idea of the game. And then here we can unlock stuff. Supposedly, at least. So this is an unlock slot. Coin transfer. This really should work. Because I have tested this before. See, it works on here. So the only question is, what is the difference between this and this? Boom. I don't see a difference, man. Yeah, no difference in this regard. Okay, let's take a look at the scripts, maybe. This should work. Well, let me put some logs around here. See if they're called, and that's gonna tell us something, right? I have no idea why it wouldn't work. Ow! I lost all of my coins. So, A and B. Huh. We're not even colliding. Wait a second. Wait a second. Is this really just a collider thing? Man, I was overthinking this. Alright. let me go to this guy and just say 5, right? And starting from the top, one more time. There are so many errors here that I'm just trying to put blinders on. Did we actually unlock this? We didn't. Did we? We did. Interesting. Okay. So these errors, let's go through these errors because we shouldn't have any errors. We shall not have any errors. Customer parent unpulled. Okay. Who are you? Service entity counter of pizza store. Okay. So counter pull pro. Oh, wow. After all of that caution, we still made that mistake, huh? After all that caution, we still made that mistake. It's okay. It's okay. Let's start from the top and we'll figure it out. So, service entity. Service entity. We should go on the prefab folder. What are we doing? So, one by one. Bank. Well, it's just a pizza store, isn't it? So instead of pull product pizza, it's pull customer. Pull customer pizza. And same goes with fries, right? Pull customer fries. Let me double check if fries is also. See? Pull customer French fries. Just fries. All right, let us delete the save and start from the top. Start from the top. All right, first thing first, what is this error? Well, first thing first, only if unlock. Do you have access to unlock item? You should have. Service entity doesn't have a reference to unlock item? That can't be true. It has a reference to counter. Counter does have a reference to unlock item, but that's not the right way to do it. Let's just do it the right way. Unlock item. Which one of these things? Is it unlock item local? Yep, unlock item local. Unlock item. Unlock item because we want to cache it. Get the component in the parent. And boom. Gotta make this protected. Unlock item and restockable. If unlock item is unlocked, then restock. Else, exactly. When it's unlocked, then restock, basically. Whoa, we have to compile. We have to compile. You have to compile. Play one more time. Okay, no errors this time. Let's play the game. There's no sound effect, so I played some sound effect for you. That's the best that I can do, guys. Sorry. You're low on budget. So, I've got $14, which means I can unlock this. Boop. And we immediately got 2 errors, huh? That's ridiculous. Why is this still French fries? We've like already did that 10 times. Pool product, French fries. And this service is pool customer fries. Fries. What a mess. This is a mess that I've caused for myself. I could have gone the enum route, but I stuck with the string and I'm paying for it. Well, this is life, I guess. Consequences are real. Beautiful. Pick it up. Oh, pick it up. Oh, okay. Okay. Probably I've lost the hand coordination data. Resources. Yes, I have lost it. So let's just set it. You get bigger. You are small. You gotta get bigger. Left hand, right? Place it in the left hand. And let's play the animation. The stand eat or stand drink animation, right? We went with the stand drink animation. That's a very large fries, by the way. Like the guy is gonna get fat so fast. That's American style. Sorry, my American friends. It's true. Or maybe it's Texas style, because everything is bigger in Texas. Wait. Guys, believe in me, okay? It might not look right from where you are looking at this, but believe in me and trust in me. It'll all work out. It always does. Look at it from this angle, okay? Forget this. No one's gonna see this. Look at it from this angle. From this angle, this is just a normal everyday guy eating its French fries drinking style. Right? Don't judge the guy. Right? We shouldn't judge. We should just accept everyone the way that they are. Boom, boom, boom. Or at least that's what the Biden administration told us. So now we can apply this to product fries. Boom. So now let's see if it works. Let's, yep. Good. Good. Now we have to fix the positioning of where they stand, of course, but that's there's a collider here. Is it this? Does this guy have a massive collider? What is this collider? I can't walk. And who cares? We'll figure it out later. Let's unlock the pizza store. Boom. No error. That's good. Where are the pizzas? Are they all here? Yeah, they are here. Let's fix the... Also, let's delete these extra products that are everywhere. One more. This burger. Okay, let us commit the changes. This is a good place to commit our changes. Let's go with update. And the positioning of these product points. These are where we're going to store the products, which is the pizza in this case. Gorgeous. That's how you write. That's how you read that word, right? Gorgeous. I just can't see any other pronunciation for it. Everything is off. Everything is off. What is this? What is this stupid rotation here? Why aren't you walking over there and eating? What are you doing here? Where did you go? What's happening here? Are you even the right type of customer? Yes, what's up with this wrong hand? Like, all right, let's start from the top. So, we have a pizza. The rotation is terrible. So if I go 0 and 0, yeah, wrong. So let's fix that. The rotation should be handled from here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, it's not physically possible to have pizzas stand like this, but you can't double jump in real life too, right? Realism was never the objective. For God's sake, we have coins that just multiply by themselves. Apply. And so now this guy, get over here. I put this pizza in your hand and you're gonna eat it properly. Oh, you know what the problem could be? The problem could be that customer pizza left hand should be right hand. That's why it was flipped. That's one thing. Oh, okay. And now, consume area should work. Where is this guy's consume area? So, yep. Area consume. Oh, see, that's where I was wrong. Consume area should be around here because I want to walk. Little by little, I'm starting to figure out what are all the bugs. So, service at the pizza store. Done. Now, eat pizza. See? We never assigned this in the animator. Stand, eat. Stand, eat. Don't And you have to create a trigger, eat pizza, done. Okay, now let's see if it works. Let's bring this guy over here and disable it and play. Supposedly, it'll work. This guy's really hungry. Okay. Now, because you changed the foundational orientation of it, it is appearing to be somewhat flipped. That's not hard to fix. Right hand. It's connected to the spine. Mm-hmm. Play the animation. Forget about this, right? Just look at this angle. This is what the player is going to see. So that's what matters. That's what matters. That makes sense to me. And if it makes sense to me, it should make sense for everyone. Because I'm a dictator. Good. Now, let's disable this guy. Also, we have to fix the positioning on the countertop. Well, let me see by how much. Should be something like this, maybe. Can I tilt it like this? Well, realistically, right, it should be this. So let's go with that. I don't know why I was making the pizzas do a Michael Jackson lean. I thought it's cooler. Let's paste to 45 degrees and apply to Service Entity Pizza Store. Then open up the pizza store on lock item or service entity. What am I doing? Wait. So 1.587, right? Let's go to service. Paste that for everyone at a 45-degree angle. And so where's your angle? Is it messed up in unlock item? It is. Revert. Why is it 4? What kind of a rookie makes that mistake? Pizza. And let's go over to Service into Pizza. Say 45 for everyone. 45. It should be okay now. except for this last point. Boom. Boom. Should be okay now. Let's test. Just got to do that for all service entities one by one. Oh, this one is a little bit more forward. Let's just fix it while we are at it. Oh, that's a mess. Let's say I like this. It's so many layers of prefab that if you're not careful, you're gonna mess things up very easily. Just like I am messing it up. But I always bounce. Because I'm bouncy. Me is bouncy. Okay, pick it up, walk. I love how he holds it like a chimpanzee. What is this? What is this rotation? I don't get it. How am I setting the Euler angles? Place at hand. Yeah, I gotta set the local rotation. But then this is Euler angles, right? This is a vector 3, meaning. So I just have to make sure this is bound to 0 to 180. Wait. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. That's what I do. I go around fixing problems. That's what I've been doing in my life. The past 25 years. Stand and eat. That's why they call me the greatest of all times, guys. That's why they call me the greatest of all times. Greatest of all times. So, this thing should be between 0 and 180. Now, don't tell me that it can't be between 0 and 180. Whatever. What if it's 0? Okay. Then can I play with Z to get it right? Oh, the rotation on this guy is so ridiculous. So will this suffice? A little bit tilted, a little bit forward, a little bit lower. Will this be enough? Let's see. Can I deploy the animation? Okay, sure. If it doesn't, then I just have to change the code to support or to transfer my local Euler angles to quaternion. Chick-click, chick-click, chick-click. We don't have sound effects, so I'm just making it for you guys. Chick-click, chick-click. Aha, now it works. Now that it works, let me actually perfect it, because it's a bit off right now. The guy kind of looks like Biden. That's how Biden used to eat pizza. Just senile. Let me bring this guy over here so we have a good view on the guy. Eat and stand. He's so Biden, right? He can be president. I want to say something is wrong. I mean, the first thing that is wrong is that the guy is like eating from the top, right? He's eating the toppings. Better. Now it's better. It's at least pointing to his mouth. It's not really getting there, but you know, the determination is there. The determination is there. Beautiful. So now let's start from the top. Let's start from the top and see if it works. So a guy comes in, picks up a pizza very gently, goes to a random spot, finds his spot and starts eating it. And then just leaves, right? That's cute. They're very hungry. I love him. He's hungry and I love it. Alright. Now we can pause. Let's go with donut. We're gonna just make sure everything works. And then we're gonna come down and make everything perfect. So not the animation, but the positioning and all that. Because the entire design needs a little rework. Donut. Everybody loves donut. So first thing first, we need the product here. That pizza was very oddly shaped, so it was normal to take so long to get it right. But this donut is just a donut, right? And by the way, that's how you say donut. You don't say donut, you say donut. That's, if you say it any other way, it's illegal, basically. Same, stand, eat, or, yeah, stand, eat. I'm gonna eat donut exactly the way I eat pizza. Stand and eat. Yep. Unity is so punishing, right? Make one mistake and you pay for it. Bring it here. And the donut is so big. I mean, it doesn't fit in his hand, or at least that's what he said. Just make it a little smaller, maybe. I think I have to, right? Or no, who cares, right? Let me bring this guy over here. So what? It's a little bit big for his hand. It's actually funny, right? I can't fix it, but it's kind of funny. So let's keep it that way. It's so massive. And it's just wrong, but realism was never the goal, right? Beautiful. Product donut. Apply. And done, I guess, right? Now we have to write the actual little script for it. So we're gonna go to customer pizza, copy all of this, paste it in customer donut. Again, Say it with me. Eat donut. Customer donut. Paste it here. And eat pizza. Just gonna change its name to stand eat so that it's more generalized. I'll say that to pizza as well. And gotta change that in the animator. I'm gonna change that in the animator. Yep. Huh? That's not how you write a stand and eat. Did I make the same mistake in the script too? Yep. Stand and eat. Now donut. Stand and eat. Okay, so product donut. Returned donut. Return pizza, return donut, return donut, return donut, return donut. And product donut. Right hand. Okay, so start from the top. It should work. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. Let's see. It's 500, which is $5. Let's play the game. I don't like how we stack the coins for collection. They just look a little bit off and not satisfying. I mean, other than the fact that they're flying, right? It works, right? Everything is wrong about it, but it works. And they don't restock, right? Why are you so little? What's going on with you? Wait, I saw something. I had a tiny customer. Where did it go? Did you see that tiny customer? We have a tiny customer. He was hiding it under the fries store. Look at the guy. We have a tiny little customer. How did this bug happen? At what stage? Right? Oh, little guy. And you want to eat that massive pizza? Alright. That sounded a bit dirty. Let me commit my changes. And so the first thing that I'm thinking about is the restocking. We need that restock feature. Where is it? I completely forgot about implementing that. It's just not there. Huh. It's restock. Yeah, we're not even calling it. Wow. Okay, let's do that. That's not gonna take much time. So we are gonna need a progress ring handler, if I'm not mistaken. Let me open a vending machine, because it is implemented there properly. See, this guy. Progress ring handler. Okay. progress ring handler, progress ring handler, progress ring handler is a progress ring handler that checks if progress ring handler exists. If it doesn't, it goes in the children and tries to find a, you guessed it, progress ring handler. Make this, we don't need to make this protected. And so here, if pooled products that count for now, let's say if it's 0, then make this triggerable. And the trigger action is restock, right? Okay, now we have to just put that prefab inside the parent service entity restockable class. And that's not going to be hard. We are going to be able to do this. You know, you want to know the main reason I actually stream these work sessions? I just thought of it. I grabbed your attention, didn't I? That's how Michael used to do it. Silence. Ha! I still have your attention, don't I? Yeah. I do it because it helps reduce my ADHD. Because my brain can go 10 different directions all of a sudden. And when there's a camera on me, there is less of a tendency to do that. So, found it. Boom. Place it here. Why is this just a 2D box? Oh, this is the okay. No, I need the progress ring handler. So hold on. Service entity vending machine. Oh, progress ring handler is not prefabized. So let's just create a prefab for it, I think. Not really for this one. So let's move on to this guy. Over here, unlock item. That's peculiar. I did just copy it. This wasn't the prefab just 2 seconds ago. Anyways, over here, donut, service entity, service entity parent, paste. Bring it down, center it, let's name it progress ring handler. I'm not sure why it should have its own specific class, but it does. Let's also make the collider bigger. Let's go with 6. Who cares? And supposedly it should work, although that means the icon this is the icon. Got it. I see what's going on. Okay, let's just go with this. So we don't lose the momentum. You don't just move fast and make mistakes. It's okay. You move fast and make mistakes. Beautiful. You can see this. Now everything stops until we restock. Boop. And automatically goes back to normal. Again, positioning of everything should be fixed. Where they spawn. Friendo, what happened to you? You two are doing something naughty here. I don't even want to get into it. Just let me know what the bug was. I don't want to pay any more attention. So character shell, pull character, Huh? Of course that's not going to work. It should be here. And that's probably why that guy was tiny. And also, I have to make sure they never block each other. So customer parent. This should be start here. And agent. Avoidance priority as random range. Well, not 0. Let's go with 10 and 200. As long as their priority is different, they won't block each other's path. We've got 4 more that have products. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And then 3 that are just passive income generators. I'm just trying to see if anything breaks after a while. Gorgeous. That's so romantic, man. The way that those two guys were eating their donut. I'm gonna avoid saying donuts like that because I might end up saying it the wrong way in front of the wrong person. Like in the middle of a serious conversation. Blah 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 donut. Alright. Next one. I mean, we're gonna have an error, right? We probably are. Let's remove these. Let's commit the changes. Definitely not up bandage. It's rather update. Ah, that's it. Messy. Tab section. Customer ice cream. And going back to donuts, customer donuts. For the 100th time, there are a smarter way to do this. But I've decided to do it this way. Because I feel like if I go the smart way, I just over-engineer. Turned ice cream. So I rather go with the dumb way, but not tangle myself in a over-engineered easy code for product ice cream. And it's one of those things that when you make that determination that you want to go the dumb way, you have to stick with that. No, you can't change your. There are like 8 different systems that rely on this. Stand, eat. Well, this is a leak, right? So we have to recreate the animation, I would say. Stand, lick. Why everything in this game sounds so dirty? So peculiar. I think I have to change this. Song, because I'm getting some warnings. Let's go with this. Okay. Ice cream. But why am I in the editor? Lick animation. Get over here, Mr. Tester. Ice cream product. Let me check some stats. Make sure everything is performing nicely. Let me see if I can okay. Product ice cream. Why don't I see it? Well, why am I guessing, right? There's a pull system here with the exact name. Okay, at this point, I feel like my productivity is getting low, so I'm gonna stop the stream, eat something, and then I'll be back at work. But I'll probably, if I want to stream, I will probably stream in about an hour and a half. So you guys take care, and I'll see you either in 2 hours or tomorrow morning. So take care and goodbye.